Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. When day trips aren't enough of an adventure, camping will naturally become the collective summer adventure of 2020. Surrounding yourself with nature's calming energy can be a remarkable source of healing. And spending time in nature will enhance your spiritual experiences. You will sense God's living presence while you walk and breathe. Sometimes a breath of fresh air can make all the difference. It can be the pause or break within your life. Camping food doesn't need to be complicated or boring when you have simple but delicious meal like this delicious avocado stuffed chicken breast. Is wrapped in bacon and lightly seasoned for a delicious and easy low-carb brunch. Let's make the guacamole. 3 cloves of garlic, next, let's prepare Anaheim pepper or jalapeno, followed by white onion. Moving on, let's slice 1 lemon, followed by an avocado. I love guacamole. I also love chicken. After all, it's my favorite lean protein. Put these two together and you have a winning dish both in flavor and nutrition. Mix all together. Then squeeze half of lemon juice. A pinch of salt. Using a sharp knife, carefully butterfly the chicken. Cut through the center but not all the way through, opening the chicken like a book. Lay the chicken flat, season the outside with salt. Spread the guacamole on each of the chicken breast. And repeat. I feel like I've been neglecting bacon lately, so I thought it's time to fix that. I mean, we all need bacon in our lives. Bacon makes the world a better place. This recipe is one of my favorites. Who doesn't love bacon and chicken and avocados all together? Anything with bacon is delicious, right? That's why this isn't making it into my healthy eating category, but anyway, every once in a while we can indulge, right? I mean, this is not that unhealthy. Remember, moderation is the key. Anyway, this is so super easy and super delicious, not to mention fast. It's not all bad. This has greens as well. I talked about the benefits of avocado before, so there you go. In a griddle over a medium heat temperature, let's add the chicken. For a truly fresh sea air experience with a $1 million view, spectacular sunset, a stunning and a quiet scenery is a dream come true. But really, do I need to even tell you how good this recipe is going to be? Bacon-wrapped chicken breast stuffed with avocado. Sorry for yelling. But bacon, chicken, and avocado? Oh my bacony goodness. Tender chicken breast stuffed with creamy guacamole and wrapped in bacon that's grilled until the bacon is nice and crispy. Crispy bacony goodness. For a simple, easy to make chicken dish that is sure to impress. I also added mushrooms for side dish. The result is definitely worth the little effort involved. That is Cooking Simply Delicious. This delicious avocado stuffed chicken with wrapped bacon are crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside. Great food for glamping. Today, I have been reminded of how thankful we need to be. To be thankful for all the little and big things that happen to us in our lives. For me, nature is my main method of personal reset. Creates a soul-easing and relaxing place to just be. Sunsets also are intimately connected. In nature, life, the beach, and the ocean. So make each moment count. Thus teaches us to be a better person, to choose happiness over wealth, careers, resentment, and lies. We all know that every day is a gift and tomorrow is never promised. The beauty of a sunset is unmatched, and with each and every one comes a peaceful way to end the day, as well as the promise of a sunrise tomorrow. Life does not come with instructions on how to live, but it does come with all creation nature. Sunsets, smile, and laughter, so enjoy your day. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!